Welcome back. Now news from sports. Various sports tournaments under the Panchayat Yuva Krida or Khel Abhiyan will kick off from August this year. PYKKA is an initiative of the Government of India and its aim is to take sports to all the rural areas of the country.
At a special meeting with various Panchayat members, association members and coaches, the Sports Authority of Goa got the approval for the tournament calendar from Chief Secretary S.K. Srivastav. Sports Secretary Dr. M. Mudassir, SAJ Executive Director V.M. Prabhudesai, Director of Sports and Youth Affairs Dr. Susanna D'Souza and others were also present on the occasion. Various issues like the implementation of scheme, eligibility of players, etc. were discussed at the meeting.
The objective was to launch this scheme now throughout the state of Goa. In fact, we have been late by 1 year, but a very good job has been done in sensitizing the village panchayats. Already 23 village panchayats were given the one-time seed capital. Now another 23 will be given for the year 2009-10 and additional 23 panchayats will be given for 10-11. So thus 69 panchayats would have got the one-time seed capital amount for development of their playground. Then the competitions will start in real sense at the block level, district level, state level and national level from this year. So the talented sports people who are there in various villages in Goa will get an opportunity to compete at the block level. Maybe even those people who do not go to any school, the non-students category of class, will also get opportunity to, because there is no age bar as far as the village teams are concerned. When they play at the block level, there is no element of age bar. So anybody who is good at sports is free to participate. So there will be at block level 5 sports disciplines, at district level there will be 10 disciplines and at state level there will be 10 sports disciplines. And there will be also teams deputed for the national level program.
Our sports reporter from Porvorim, Peterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Goa Cricket Association co-opted 3 more members in its managing committee. Daya Pagi, Dinesh Kinlekar and Rajesh Patnekar are the newly co-opted members. The strength of the managing committee now stands as 18.
The GCA's managing committee held a meeting on Friday at the Indo Cricket Academy in Porvorim. In their meeting, 3 members, namely Daya Pagi, Desh Kinlekar and Rajesh Patnekar, were co-opted in the managing committee.
Some members have filed application for membership and we had declared election last time, that is 1 year back. Now for example, Daya Pagi from Kankon, he again filed when there was 3 members election. So he is from remote area of Kankon and we want to give representation to those areas. He has been a member for a long time, having one club in Kankon. So we have decided to take him on the committee. Number 2 is Desh Kinlekar from APSA, who is the president of Dost 11, who has been assisting GCA in almost all tournaments, especially the club matches of GCA. The third member who is co-opted is Rajesh Patnekar.
What is their role going to be?
Yeah, right now, seeing the workload of Goa Cricket Association, seeing the prospect of stadium coming, there is a lot of work, and maybe after some time you might have to even increase the members from what is the present strength of 15, so that all sections of people and all talukas are represented. Today we don't have that system, but you require a lot of hands and a lot of workers. So, and the way cricket is progressing and it is flourishing, there is a lot of scope for everybody to work in Goa Cricket Association.
A sports reporter from Porvorim, Peterson Fernandez, with video journalist Sushant Pearl.
Football is a game that can always be reinvented into a whole new game. But when you mix football and acrobatic stunts and the skills the game reaches a whole new level. Have a look at the bunch of youngsters showing off their astonishing skills. It is risky, so don't try these things without proper guidance. Take care and goodbye.
Los zapatos de mi hermano, las botas de mi padre, no me quites la pelota es de mi casa. ¿Y quién ha llamado la novia del diablo? El chico que viste sentado en el bar. No pares, que pierdes la pelota. No pares, que pierdes la pelota. Si quieres esta tarde nos juntamos en el parque. Estamos desempleados y empeñados a hacer arte. No pares, no pares, no pares, no pares. No pare. Se va, se fue. No pares, que pierdes la pelota. No pares, que pierdes la pelota. Dime lo que haces cuando sales de tu casa. Si te caes del tejado se me cae la pelota.